The following website, Creative Commons, lets you look for what we call public domain images, which is really useful, especially if you're looking for students to search for images that are ethically sourced. So to do this, you can either search for Creative Commons within your search engine, or it's creativecommons.org. If we select the link, in there what you do is you can search for the images up here, and what this does is it will search through a database of sites on the internet, such as RawPixel, Flickr, and it will then tell you what sort of license is attached. So if I just look up something harmless like cats, for example, so I'm doing a project on cats, you can see here it's classified by image, audio, or video, and I can also filter by use. So you can either use it commercially, but obviously for students, more modify or adapt would be the one that we want to select. And then if we scroll down the side a bit more, there are different license types here, which you can hit the question mark on. So for example, this one here says this work is marked as being public domain, which means anyone can use it. However, if you go to our next one down, it says that we have to acknowledge the creditor, which means inside the assignment, the student should acknowledge them. So it's a really good website. I recommend it very strongly, especially if you're looking to make sure the students are sourcing their images, audio, or other files ethically.